Right now I'm at Circle K and I'm going to show you how you can actually use a fuel rewards card like so. You can see right here when we actually approach the pump, the very first thing you want to do is you can actually see it accepts all of these cards. But if it's on your Apple Wallet or Samsung Wallet, you can actually just add it right here just by opening it in your phone and tapping it. Or you can actually use your fuel rewards by typing in your mobile number on the screen like so. You just want to click on this and then you want to enter in your mobile number using this pin pad like so. And once you actually enter it in, it will give you discounts on your fuel rewards. This is assuming that you've actually signed up using the Circle K gas rewards app. I recommend getting it because you get a lot of discounts very frequently. Or if you want to pay inside for gas, you can actually scan the QR code, which I have a photo of on screen right now, inside the store and actually pay for gas inside the store for however much gas you want, just by telling them your gas number at the pump and just how much gas in dollars you actually want to be spending. And once you basically scan that in store, it'll automatically get as your rewards just in the app, and it'll just add up and give you all these discounts and rewards versus just paying normally, just tapping your card and just filling up your car with gas. But if you found this helpful, please consider leaving a like on it down below. But again, you just want to type in your phone number or go inside and scan the physical QR code, which is on the very top of the app page, which you do need the app if you do want rewards in the first place. Or you can actually just tap your card just on Apple Pay or Samsung Pay right here. And yeah, that's all you need to do.